Friends, myself Mrs. Kuljit, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, the noun number. Students, in this chapter we will discuss the kinds of nouns and the rules to make the singular noun to plural nouns. Okay, then let's start. Before starting the chapter, just you tell me, in the previous chapter you have learned about noun. What is a noun? Yes, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Yes, students, there are two kinds of number forms. First is singular noun, singular numbers. Students, a noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house, a flower. Next is plural numbers. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys, cats, houses, flowers. Next topic is how to form plurals. Students, mostly we add s to make the plural noun by adding s like a bag, bags. But every time we can't add s. So there are different rules to make the plural nouns. Let's study. Students, we add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, s, ss or x to get their plural form. For example, beach, beaches. Here is a ch, so we added here es to make the plural form. Next is by adding, by changing y into ies. Students, if the noun is ending with the y and before y there is a consonant, means the noun that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. Example, army, armies. Here is a y and before y there is a consonant. So y is changed into I and es is added with that. Army, armies. Next is vowel plus y. The noun that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by adding of a s, like boy, boys. Here is a y followed by o vowel and s is added for this. Next is noun with f or ef. Noun that ends with f or ef. For this, to form the plural of a noun that ends in f or ef, we replace the f or ef with ves, and sometimes we add s to that, and sometimes either by adding a s or a ves. So, example, see here, bookshelf, bookshelves, brief, briefs, dogs, drop, drops, drops. Next is noun that end in o, that is changed to plural form by adding s also, by adding es also, either by adding s or es also. For example, photo, photos, hero, heroes, buffalo, buffaloes, buffaloes. Students, some nouns form their plurals by changing internal vowels. For example, man, men. Here is a vowel and here is a e. A is changed into e. Man, one man, men, many. Tooth, teeth. Tooth, one teeth, one tooth, teeth, many. Next is some nouns remain the same in the singular and plural form. They do not change. Like aircraft, aircraft, fruit, fruits. Students, some nouns have only their plural forms, like name of equipments and name of garments. For the equipment, we can take example binoculars, and for the garments, we can take example of jeans. Next is students, a pair of is used before plural noun to make them into singular nouns. For example, a pair of goggles. Goggles is in plural form, but if we want to make it in singular form, so we will write first a pair of, then only goggles. It will be in singular form. Goggles, this single word is in plural form. Next is pair of. Pair of is used when there is more than one pair. Example, two pairs of shoes. Two pair of shoes. Okay. Okay, students, this was the chapter about noun numbers. Thank you.